The State Route 71 Blackbird in 2026 remains less a conventional aircraft and more a benchmark of what aerospace engineering can achieve when innovation is pushed without compromise. Although it has been retired for decades, its reputation continues to grow, standing as a symbol of unmatched speed, altitude, and technological ambition. Even by modern standards, the Blackbird's capabilities feel futuristic, making it a timeless legend rather than a relic of the past. Designed to fly at speeds exceeding Mach 3 and at altitudes above 85,000 feet, the State Route 71 still outperforms many contemporary platforms in raw performance. No operational aircraft today combines speed, ceiling, and survivability in quite the same way. In 2026, as hypersonic projects continue to face technical and financial hurdles, the Blackbird's operational success highlights just how far ahead of its time it truly was. The aircraft's titanium-heavy construction and unique design allowed it to withstand extreme heat generated by sustained high-speed flight. Even now, its engineering solutions, such as fuel acting as a coolant and airframe expansion at speed, are studied by aerospace engineers. These design choices were not just innovative for their era, they remain relevant lessons for modern high-speed aircraft development. From a mission perspective, the SR-71's ability to outrun threats rather than evade them with weapons redefined strategic reconnaissance. In an age dominated by satellites and drones, the Blackbird still represents a unique approach: rapid, flexible, and nearly untouchable intelligence gathering. Its flawless combat record, never having been shot down, continues to reinforce its legendary status. In terms of operational costs and maintenance, the State Route 71 was undeniably demanding, requiring extensive support and specialized crews. However, when evaluated through a 2026 lens, those costs appear justified by the intelligence advantage it provided. Few platforms in aviation history delivered such consistent strategic value with such minimal losses. Ultimately, reviewing the State Route 71 Blackbird in 2026 is less about judging it against modern aircraft and more about recognizing its enduring influence. It remains a masterpiece of aviation history, a machine that still challenges today's engineers to think bigger and bolder. The Blackbird is not just remembered, it continues to inspire what the future of high-speed flight could become.